So happy for your hospitality. Of course, I'm a Filipina, but being welcomed this way in the city of Manila makes me more proud. And on behalf of the commission, actually, we are inviting the whole of the admin of our Mayor Isko on November 24, which is the climate change Green Gala event and the coronation of the ladies, because City of Manila will be awarded as the Green City by the Climate Change Commission of the Philippines. So for now, maybe later I want to tell the mayor as well the good news. But with this, to those who don't know, November is Climate Change Month, and I am actually chairing the Climate Change Week for the Commission. And as you see, for the past weeks, the typhoons, and those real strong typhoons, floods, and all just passed and happened. That's the reason why it's sad that some of our candidates were not able to make it, right? And we understand why, because it may be so uncertain for some, but I'm just glad that starting the day that we started, the weather has been cooperating. In fact, during the sashing event at the Fort Santiago, it was quite drizzling for a while. So I'm like, oh my gosh, what's a plan B? But after all, there you go. The environment had to welcome as well our beautiful ladies here in Manila. So it was very, very providential that we were given very good weather even this morning and the whole day. So ladies, you're very lucky that we are welcomed by the most handsome mayor. So you will meet him soon. So once again, thank you so much, and let's enjoy the evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you again for your insightful words, Ms. Ackerman. Next, we are honored to hear from the international leadership of the organization. So at this time, please join me in welcoming the president of the Miss Environment International Organization, Mr. Hrishikesh Narachkar. We'd also like to acknowledge our Mayor Honorable Francisco Iscomara and Demagoso for joining us this evening. Hello, sir. So again, at this time, we'd like to call on Mr. Hrishikesh Narachkar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Mabuhay, Philippines. I have a soft corner for Philippines. As being 36 years old kid, I started my journey when I was 24 in the pageant industry with Miss India. Looking up the first ever crown that Miss India could win in 1994, that was Miss Universe, here in Manila in Philippines itself. So that's the soft corner that I have for Philippines. Thank you very much for hosting us, Mayor and Vice Mayor. It's, let me tell you, it's commendable job to organize such a mega event and getting up these beautiful ladies from the country, and all the national directors who have taken immense of pleasure of the hard work and dedication to prove that we are one team. Thank you, Machimam, for hosting us and believing in us, because she was the one who told us that don't worry, we are going to host it. It's Manila, it's Philippines this time. And yes, this was one of my dreams when I was looking out for hosts, and generally we were in talks with other countries also. But when Philippines came, my mother asked me, why Philippines? I said, I have a soft corner for Philippines, just not because of Miss Universe, but also because of the other queens who have won in the Philippines, and the hospitality, and the people out here are so generous. Isn't it true?
Yes.
And trust me, one thing that I love about Philippines is food. The food quality, the flavors that we have from Philippines is all over the world. Okay? And as I told somebody right now, that you don't look Filipino, but you have that presence of Indian looks, and then she told me that she is half Indian too, and it's immense pleasure to be hosting, getting hosted by the mayor out here, and Mashima. Thank you very much from bottom of my heart and the entire team of Miss Environment International. Thank you very much.
Thank you again, Mr. Mirajkar. And now, we come to the message from the Chief Executive of the City of Manila, a man whose dedication to urban renewal and environmental improvement has truly transformed our city. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and give a thunderous welcome to the Mayor of the City of Manila, the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagosa.
Please, take your seat. I beg the indulgence of our foreign guests. My English is good only for 5 minutes. After that, my nose will bleed, so... Anyway, good evening. To the President of Miss Environment International Organization, Mr. Hrishikesh Mirajkar. Indian ka ba? Kasi hindi mo sinipot ang puso ko. May bago kayo ha. Elementary joke ko yun eh. Kayo naman. To Miss Mache Torres Ackerman, Chairperson, Miss Environment International 2025. Philippines Organizing Committee and Ambassador. Climate Change Commission of the Philippines. Our can be Mrs. Environment candidate. Our Vice Mayor. If there will be a Mrs. Environment, maganda na, matalino pa. Bright and beautiful Vice Mayor. Cesar. To the members of the City Council, pakitayungat, yan, mga members of City Council. The entire city official. These are elected city official in their respective district. Andiyan ba yung mga binata pa? Ay, iyan, ba't ka nagtasang kamay? Puro binat na kayo eh. So our department heads are also here. To the candidates, good evening. Good evening again. And it's really good evening when you're surrounded by beautiful women. I hope you had a good day in Manila. I heard that you went around, and especially planting greeneries in our city. In line with the concept of your organization. Your city government is in sync with your goal and aspiration to have a cleaner place to live in. In the case of City of Manila, as katulad ng, naubusan ako ng English, no? Like the place that you visited this afternoon, Arroceros Park. In our own little way, this administration would like to, and always want to reclaim our spaces and to be converted as open green space in the city of Manila. Whether it is 100 square meter, whether it is 500 square meter, whether it is 1,000 square meter, even in the middle of the bridge, we put greeneries in our area. You can see it in Jones Bridge. In the beginning, during my first term, a lot of engineers would argue with me. You cannot plant trees above a bridge. And I told them, there is already science existing. It's not even a rocket science. We plant trees so that we can limit the carbon in our city, because the city is a very busy city, especially 3 avenues. The Loton, the Avenida or Top Avenue, and our Espana, because of high vehicular public transport passing through Metro Manila, passing through Manila. So that's why we wanted to create more green space in the area. And recently, I don't know if you heard about it, President Marcos and I had about a 55-minute meeting. And one of the suggestions were introduced to the President is to convert the golf course, Intramuros Golf Course, into a forest park, where we name it Fortress to Forest. Because in the beginning, as you can see, what is depicted in these pictures, these paintings, this is the history of Manila and most of it Philippines. But these things happen mostly in Manila. Intramuros, as a walled city, is a fortress to defend the country. Now, we have to create another fortress through forests to fight climate change. We should create more open green space in a highly urbanized setting so that our great-great-great-grandchildren will have a more open green space. Because, ano naman natin, simple math. You already know this. Earth is not getting bigger. And I guarantee you, as we speak, a human being is being born. And unfortunately, any person, any human being will eat up space. So naturally, the population will catch up with available space in our world. So, our children, great-great-grandchildren, the next generation, doing this today is doing that for them, doing it for them in the future. Today, only a few, special one, who enjoys the golf course of Intramuros. Why not make it public so that everybody will enjoy green space in a highly urbanized setting? And as you know, one of the most expensive properties in this world is New York. But look at them. The Central Park. Never touch it. Nobody even entertained to cut, to slice that open green space for New Yorker because they know the value of open green space. As like what Singapore is doing. Reverse development. In Singapore, in the 80s and 70s, especially through the leadership of Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew, he's been building left and right, non-stop. Now Singapore is doing reverse development. They tore down some buildings that doesn't need it anymore and make it as an open green space. That's what we're doing. So, are we better than them? I don't know. But as far as we are concerned today, they have delivered already on what we are dreaming today. So, sabi nga sa kasabihan, why reinvent the wheel? This is just copy business. If they can do it in Singapore, we can do it in Manila. And to our employees, the employees of the national government, huwag silang maglala. Mas may permanente pa silang trabaho, yung mga kadi natin. Ito mas permanente. Kasi sa kadi, pag walang nag-golf, walang pitsa. Eh dito, kung empleyado sila ng gobyerno ng Maynila, akisi at 30, umulan, bumagyo, magkaroon ng dilubyo, may sweldo. Just saying. But anyway, why am I telling these stories? Because this is the goal of the city. Manila is a very old city. More than 500 years old of history. We have so many of firsts. But with that old city, there is a disadvantage for grow. But also, it has its advantage, being old. Because if you're old, you have a lot of story to tell. And in the case of City of Manila, we have a lot of history in our city and part of the country's history. And these are our assets. So that's why, in our own little way, while Manila is old and a lot of history, the least thing that we can do is to make Manila pleasant. Sa Tagalog, maliwalas. Tama ba yung English ko? Tama naman. No? Pleasant, maliwalas. Maliwalas at payapa. Pleasant and peaceful. So that people can live in a very good environment. Working and living environment. That is our goal. That's our achievement. That is our direction. Now, in line with your dreams and aspirations as organization, Miss Environment International Organization, we are with you. Your city of Manila and the capital of the country is with you. So our beautiful ladies, thank you for touring Manila today. And you'll see better things in the coming years. And to those who will win, congratulations in advance. To those who did not, you're already a winner in my eyes. Eh lahat magaganda eh. Kumbaga sa Madyong, walang flores. Lahat may bilang. Trying to street talk to ibig sabihin, what I mean is that all of you are beautiful. Charming. If I'm only single, I marry one of you. But you know, my wife, I have been married for 25 years. Going 26. My ex-girlfriend, now my wife. We've been together as boyfriend and girlfriend for 1 month. After that, we got married. She always believes kilos. Fast mover. And the rest is history. I'm happy with her. I'm grateful. I found her. And, and he's been helping us, especially with the kids. But now, that's immaterial for this topic. I just mentioned it to put substance to if I'm only single. But kidding aside, we are really honored you coming here in this historic, ano bang bulwagan in English? Hall. Oh, in this historic hall. A lot of great mayors. And, great personality came in and out of this specific. It's been same it is for so many decades. Even in fact, during the time of Mayor Bagaching, the grandfather of our tourism director, Crystal Bagaching, and grandfather of Councilor DJ Bagaching, and the father of Vice Mayor Chichi Atienza. Sila ang mga magagaling na mayor na nagdaan dito. I forgot, I'm talking to foreigners again. And these are the great men and women of the city passed through this historic hall. So we're happy and honored to welcome you. And feel free to go around. As long as I'm here, you're going to be safe. Don't worry. We'll try to do our best, but no harm will come to you. And if, don't worry, we'll go after them, wherever they are. Tago na sila sa lelang nilang pano. But I am not only welcome and honor you coming here on behalf of the people of Manila. Thank you to Miss Environment International Organization for visiting Manila. Thank you very much. And you spend more Bring them to Divisoria. Dali mo to sa Tabora, sa Ilaya, sa Carmen Plana. So there are places. They like street food. Are you sure? Bring them to Ugbo, Tondo. May tumbong, kamto. Yeah? Tumbong, kamto, lechong kawali. Or maybe in a fusion alley. The new famous fusion alley in Kampa. You visit around. There are good places when with regard to food. Filipinos loves to cook, especially our mother would always love to cook. Even though we don't like their cook, they'll put it in our mouth. But we grew up that way. We love cooking, we love the food, and go around the city. Especially at night in the Esplanade area. I hope you have time to visit the new Esplanade along Pasig River. So again, go around and spend money. We welcome your money in the city of Manila. But again, in all honesty, we are honored and thank you for visiting the city of Manila. And welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Magandang gabi, pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong Manila. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Thank you very much to the Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Damagoso, Mayor of the City of Manila. So at this time, we'd like to get some photo opportunities before we go on to our dinner. So we'd like to invite our candidates here on stage along with the Mayor of the City of Manila, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Damagoso, the Vice Mayor, the Honorable Angela Lichi Atienza, the Chairperson of the Miss Environment International 2025, Ms. Mache Torres Ackerman, and of course the President of the Miss Environment International Organization, Mr. Rishikesh Mirajkar, to please join us here on stage for a photo opportunity with all of our candidates.
Siya na nag-ayos ng blocking. Excuse me. Backward.
So we're going to our photographers, if you will take your positions as we get the full length. So again, we'd like to make sure that everybody gets seen into the photo. So if our photographers could please take a step back and give room for our official photographers to take the photo.
Candidate si Vice Mayor. Oo. Kabila.
We'll just double check to see if we've got our tableau ready. Again, we want to make sure that we see all of your beautiful faces for the photo.
Hindi, mamaya sasabay ako dito. Miss Uganda. Atras lang po. Atras
Again,
lang po.
for our photographers, if you will please take a step back to please give way to our official photographers at this time. So again, to all of those that are here taking pictures, if you'll please give way to our official photographer. Please take a step back. Again, to our official photographer, if you'll let us know if you've got everybody into the photo. May kasha ba? Charles. It's okay. As we've been talking about Manila, My Manila, again, that is our hashtag for this evening. So please share your experiences with us, from visiting the sites to your fan, Miss Environment International moments, and even pics of your food. We'd love to see what your Manila is like. Please share that with us by using the hashtag Manila, My Manila. So again, at this time, we have our candidates as well as our special guests of honor and Mayor joining us for a picture here. So again, feel free to get your pictures in while you have a chance.